Welcome back for another Litecoin price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price targets and also share the price action to expect in the next coming days and also hours. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to start the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening here on the Litecoin chart, where you can see that on the 17th of August we saw this massive breakdown on the charts in a move that gave us a low at around the $54.56 mark. And you can see that Litecoin was easily bought up to the upper side, leaving us with this long wick to the lower side. And afterwards we have now been stuck within this range that I have right here on the charts, highlighted using that yellow target area. And at some point I'm expecting that Litecoin is now going to give us a breakout out of this range, either to the upper side or to the lower side. And as a result of that breakout, I now have two possible scenarios that we can have in mind here on the Litecoin chart. And the first one is that there are chances that we might continue seeing higher prices, see a break out of the range to the upper side, and continue gearing up here on the Litecoin chart. And in case such a movement plays out and we see a break to the upper side, then we can easily see Litecoin get above the $70 mark, where we have our next key area of resistance, and a break above resistance with a successful retest. Then we can easily see Litecoin continue gearing up and get above the $75 mark in the next coming hours or maybe days. We also need to have in mind that there are chances that we can see the breakout out of the range to the lower side. And in case such a movement plays out here on the charts, we don't have much of support to the lower side once we lose the $60 mark. So in case we break to the lower side, we lose the $60 mark, which is our significant area of support, then we can easily see Litecoin continue heading further down to give us a reset of the low that we made on the 17th of August at around the $54.56 mark. That is the other possible scenario that we need to have in mind here on the Litecoin chart. So for now, let's continue watching our range, and the range lies between the $66.22 mark and the $64.72 mark. So we need to continue holding within the range and also hold above the $64.72 mark. And a break below the $64.72 mark to the lower side, then we can easily see Litecoin give us a dump to the $60 mark, where we have our next key area of support. And that is what I'm keeping my eyes on here on the Litecoin chart on the short term. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 31 mark, and we are just about to get into the overbought territories. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, still suggesting further breakdown. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.